Okay, so this is what a $50 studio setup looks like. Basically, that's a $10 backdrop that I've put behind the sofa. This here is I think that's about a $10 tripod off eBay. And I've put a mount on for the GoPro on the top. The big expense was this light. You get for about $25. That comes with the tripod stand for it. It's got a 135 watt bulb inside. You'll see them on eBay, no problem at all, with a diffuser over the top. And then you sit down, get your GoPro on, and you can see the sort of quality that I've got out of this $40–50 setup. So thanks for watching. Hello. This is attempt 3 on setting up a studio in your living room for, well, I think this is cost about $40. Got most of it went on a big light here. It's one of those fold-up diffuser with 135 watt bulb in it. I think $10 for this backdrop here, in case you haven't got a suitor. If you're living in a place where you've got a really nice room and big windows and it's sunny every day, you don't need to do this. But for people that live in England or places where it rains a lot and natural lights, it's not good. You're going to need somewhere that you can film inside. So as I said, this is attempt 3, as the first one was, my head wasn't in it basically. So if you just want to watch my chin, I might put some of that up as a fail thing. So this is the sort of effect you get for $40-ish. Hello. Okay, so you've got your studio set up in your living room or your bedroom. Now, what do you do next if you want to be a YouTuber? Well, I think the next thing you've got to do is learn to talk to a camera. It's scary for everybody. I've looked on other YouTube channels and they say what you have to do is just start recording and watch yourself. And gradually you get more used to talking to a camera with lights on you. So it's as simple as that. You're just going to have to do it. Because at the end of the day, none of us like those YouTube videos where you see something, it's got the right logo, it's the information you want, and when it comes on, you've got text coming across the screen, the person won't speak, and, well, I don't know about you, I thumbs down or I just click off it because that's not what you want. I've actually seen somewhere they've used a computer to talk over it because they just won't speak. If you're going to be a YouTuber, if you're going to make content for YouTube, you're going to have to look into a camera and you're going to have to speak. So, studio, learn to talk to the camera. That's about it to get started. Thanks for watching. This is Big Bob. Peace, man. Hello. Okay, you've learned to talk to the camera. You've got your studio set up. Now you're going to need a subject. You need some reason why people want to watch you. Well, I've got 3 parts to mine. First is how I set up the studio and how I'm setting up the channel. I'm also doing one on fitness because, as you can probably tell, I need to lose some weight and I'm not young, so I shall be doing that. But ultimately, this channel is going to be a van life, a tourist, a travelling companion. So that's what it's hopefully going to be about. So hopefully you'll watch my fitness channel and how I get in shape, if I do. And also I'm hoping you'll watch my guides to local towns, and when I get my van, I'll show you how I fit it out and the places I go. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.